Hello world, Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. This is Cotton Roane County, and I'll be honest, I don't know this community the way I know some others. I know the name is probably a family name, somebody's people who cleared this ground a long time ago and left their name on it when they left. That's how it works out here. The land holds the name longer than the family holds the land. Roane County was oil and gas before it was anything else, which is a different kind of extraction story than the southern counties, quieter, harder to see from the road. I keep coming through here on the 33 corridor and finding myself wanting to know more than I can see at highway speed. Some places do that. They don't announce themselves. They just sit there and wait for you to pay attention. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.